This dance is called Big Red Balloon. 48 count, 4 walls. There's a restart during wall 5 after 32 count. Let me show you the main dance. Starting with your right foot, do a whip to your left. Cross right over left, cross. Step your left to the side, step right behind, and step your left to the side. Cross right over left with a sweep from the back. Cross left over right. Make a quarter turn to your left using your right foot and step left to the side. Weight is on the left. Section 1 again, do a whip to your left. Cross, side, behind, side. Cross right over left with a sweep. Cross left over right. Make a quarter to the left with your right and step your left to the side. Section 1 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, do a cross rock recover with the right. Cross right over left, recover, step your right to the side. Cross your left over right, recover, do a rolling bind to the left. Quarter, half, and a quarter. So section 2 again. Cross right over left, cross, recover, step right to the side. Cross left over right, cross, recover, and a rolling bind to the left. Quarter, half, and a quarter. So with a count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. Cross right over left and hold 1 count. Cross and hold. Step your left to the side with a heel diagonal facing 10-30 and hold. And step your right next to left. Rock your left forward. Recover. Back coaster. Back together forward. Still facing 10-30. So section 3. Cross hold. Side heel hold. Step right next to left. Rock left forward. Recover. Back coaster. Back together forward. Section 3 with a count. 1 hold 2 and 3 hold 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 4. Hip bump on your right. Rock, recover, rock. On the left. Rock, recover, rock. Make a pedal quarter 1/8 turn. 1/8 turn. Facing 9 o'clock. Another 1/4 turn. Facing 6 o'clock. So from here, hip rock, hip bump, hip recover back, rock recover back, hip roll 1/8 and hip roll 1/8. So with a count, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 5. Cross right over left. Kick left. Step your left back. Step your right to the side. Step forward on your left. Kick right. And step your right back and make a quarter turn. So, section 5 again. Step right cross. Kick. Step back to the side. Step left forward. Kick right. And step right back and make a quarter. So with a count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last section, camel walks. 2 camel walks. Step right forward with a knee pop. Step left forward with recover, jump backwards and jump, and do your hip to the left and right and left. So as you do your hip roll, you pop your right knee. If you do your hip to the right, you pop your left knee. Okay, so let me show you again. So from here, the last section is camel walk. 1 time, 2 time, rock, recover, jump back. After you jump back, you do your hip to the left, hip to the right, and hip to the left. So with the count, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me show you the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 hold 2 and 3 hold 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And you continue the dance from here. This is wall 2, facing 3 o'clock. So in this dance, there is a restart after 32 count during wall 5. Wall 5 will be facing 12 o'clock. Let me show you wall 5 and the restart. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 hold 2 and 3 hold 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of 32 count. So you start your wall 6 here facing 6 o'clock and you start your dance from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.